We once had a teacher, the teacher of teachers. He changed the world for the better and made us better creatures. Oh Allah, we've shamed ourselves, we've strayed from AlMu'allim. Surely we've wronged ourselves, what will we say in front of him? Ooh, Muallim. He was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Muhammad, mercy upon mankind, teacher of all mankind. He prayed while others slept, while others ate. He'd fast while they would laugh. He wept until he breathed his last. His only wish was for us to be among the ones who prosper. Ya Muallim, peace be upon you, truly you are our teacher. Ooh, Muallim. He was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Muhammad, mercy upon mankind, teacher of all mankind, teacher of all mankind. He taught us to be just and kind, and to feed the poor and hungry, help the wafer and the orphan child, and to not be cruel and miserly. His speech was soft and gentle, like a mother stroking her child. His mercy and compassion were most radiant when he smiled. He was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Muhammad, mercy upon mankind, teacher of all mankind. Abul Qasim, Ya Habibi, Ya Mumajjad, Ya Shafi'i, Ya Mumajjad, Khairul Khalqillahi Muhammad, Ya Mustafa, Ya Imam al-Mursalin, Ya Mustafa, Ya Shafi' al-Alamin, Ya Mustafa, Ya Imam al-Mursalin, Ya Mustafa, Ya Shafi' al-Alamin. Muallim. Sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.